In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So if Facebook profile lock option is not showing in yours, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So the first reason might actually be your country. The profile lock feature is not available in all the countries. So if you belong from the country where this feature is not available, there is nothing that you can do. But if not, this problem might be because you've turned on the professional mode. In that case, what you can do is simply turn off the professional mode. For that, what you have to do is simply go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for turn off professional mode. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to turn it off. Simply tap on the option continue. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply read all these informations and tap on the turn off option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the professional mode has been successfully turned off. Simply close this. Now after you do that, your problem should be fixed. You can simply find the lock option and enable it. For that, go back. Now tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen right next to the option edit profile. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for lock profile. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you can proceed to lock your profile. Like this, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.